Before departure, you have to buy a refrigerator for 1,300 yen at your own expense. You can use the restroom at the meeting point. The 6 of us almost chartered the boat and there was another passenger. The captain should have sailed to a place with a lot of fish and caught fish in less than a minute or two. We caught about 30 fish in total. Although we communicated in Japanese throughout the whole process, it was not a problem. If you are worried about seasickness, it is recommended to take seasickness pills first. There were strong waves on the way. I vomited once after we stopped the boat, but my companions were fine. Take the fish back to the gathering point. The person in charge has clear instructions. You can process the caught fish at a nearby restaurant. The restaurant has a basic cooking set menu, including deep fried, boiled in sauce, and sashimi. The overall experience was very fun and memorable. Booking was fuss-free, but confirmation was quick. The fishing boat was very clean and the boatman was very helpful. We caught total of 21 gurukun. It would be better if they can provide varieties of hook and line for different fishes though. Nevertheless, overall it's a pleasant experience for this fishing trip near Kamiyama Island. The boss even kind enough to recommend us a restaurant to get our fish done for our meal. What a joyful trip. We caught a lot of fishes in that morning. The feeling was great. I will recommend this trip to my friends for sure. It is a very good fishing activity that can be participated by novices and experienced people. In Japan, it is so easy to catch fish, much better than in Hong Kong. You can basically catch fish after a while. I will participate next time I come to Okinawa. Finally, the fish was introduced to a restaurant and processed by the store. It was delicious. The overall trip was satisfactory. The boat was clean, the weather was good, and the captain was very friendly. The most surprising thing was that the fish caught exceeded our expectations. It is a very good experience for people who like fishing. The fish can be processed at the noodle market. For 1,800 yen per person, you can get rice plus soup. The fresh fish caught by yourself is very delicious. You need to purchase an additional refrigerator, and the catch can be processed at a restaurant that the store knows well. The boatman was not as aggressive as he said, and he didn't speak English, but he could communicate through gestures. There is a surveillance radar on the boat, and it took 3 fishing spots to catch the fish. The overall event is well worth participating in. The weather was bad yesterday, so the boatman was kind enough to help us reschedule our trip tomorrow. There were a lot of fish and we couldn't run out of bait. We were lucky enough to see sea turtles, and the fishing boat was bigger than we expected. All in all, it was a very good experience. The captain is very polite and kind. He will teach you basic fishing skills during the fishing process and will help you first to hook the fish. The overall process is enjoyable. After returning to port, the manager of the valet restaurant introduced by the captain will entertain you very kindly. The cooking fee is 1,800 yen per person. It is very worth going. Save the time of killing fish and cooking it yourself. The food is also very good. It's fun, but don't go to the valet restaurant recommended by the boss, unless you have deep pockets and love Taiwanese food. You can download the Japanese taxi app Go to call a taxi. The captain has taught simple English and will provide quick secondary teaching according to the student's level. On the opposite side of the fishing port, you can prepare fresh fish for customers. For 1,800 yen, you can get sashimi, steamed fish, fried fish with rice, side dishes, and barley tea. It's fresh and delicious. It's a good experience. The captain will teach you how to use fishing gear for fishing. You will return to the port after fishing for about 2 to 2.5 hours. You can ask a nearby restaurant to process the fish you catch. Umi no kei. The fishing gear is easy to use and is very suitable for novices. After the activity is completed, you can go to the restaurant for processing. It is 1,800 yen per person. There are fried fish, steamed fish and sashimi, as well as rice and soup, which is very delicious.